Aloe vera, in Bengali, Greta Kumari, is a succulent plant having around 500 species. As we all know, aloe vera has a lot of health benefits. It is also good for skin and hair. Many of you asked me that how can we grow aloe vera in our rooftop or balcony garden? It is really easy to grow in any kind of climate. First, it is a succulent, so it needs very low amount of water. And it needs a little amount of fertilizer sparingly. It means you can give any kind of fertilizer once a month. My mom simply uses rice water once a month. You can also use liquid fertilizer from vegetable peel. When soil is drying out completely, water is needed deeply but infrequently. Keep the aloe vera in a sunny area. It needs full sunlight. Look at these plants. Those are kept in shady area. And the aloe vera leaves grow laggy. Today, my mom will make an oil for extremely dry skin. First, cut a aloe vera leaf. Then, let the aloe vera stand upright at least 1 hour to let the yellow sap let out. It is made by aloe vera and other some ingredients. First, wash the aloe vera thoroughly. Then, cut the aloe vera in small pieces. Then, remove the gel. You can use the mixture grinder, but my mom uses this way. Aloe vera is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It has antimicrobial properties. Aloe vera helps maintain moisturizer in our skin. Now place a thick bottom container in an oven. Put some coconut oil. My mom used like 100 ml of coconut oil. You should always use low flame in the oven. Then add the aloe vera. You should continuously stir so it does not burn. Coconut oil is a very good moisturizing dry skin. It also reduces inflammation. Researchers are looking at coconut oil as a possible topical treatment for chronic skin inflammation. Applying this oil may exert skin lightening and anti-aging effects. It can heal wrinkles and dry skin. While doing this, you can also use camphor, commonly known as kapoor. Camphor has an antimicrobial property and manage itchy skin. But never apply camphor oil to broken or injured skin. After cool down, stain the oil in a container. Then add 1 teaspoon of glycerin. It will help your skin to be hydrated and fresh. And bid goodbye to dryness. next ingredient is the vitamin E. Vitamin E capsule is easily found in medical soap. Vitamin E is good for our skin. It moisturizes and rejuvenates our skin. My mom added 3 capsules for 100 ml of oil. Then mix the oil and close the lid. Any kind of age group can use this oil. If you like our video, then subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.